Welcome to our channel. Today's sketch of a wooden horse and coloring. Drawing a U shape first. Horse head. Trojan horse head horns. Horse's headgear. Drawing a big eye. Let's draw the body of the Trojan horse. Big curve. Big belly. This is the horse's mane. Draw a U-shaped saddle. There's a flower here. Draw the horse's tail. Below is the base of the wooden horse. Love. Painting the Trojan's mouth and blush. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's get started. It's done. Now let's get some color. Pink. Purple. Light yellow. Light green. Green. Red. Bright yellow. Blue. Red. Blue. Red. Rose. Sky blue. Yellow. Green. Pink. Sky blue. Purple. Rose. Thanks for watching. See you next time.